Hi everyone! Have you ever drawn a cute cat and then thought it was a little weird? Today I'll point out 5 super common mistakes when drawing cute drawings and how to fix them. After watching, you'll be able to draw beautifully right away. Mistake 1 ***. Drawing eyes too small. Big eyes are cute, try drawing them rounder. Mistake 2 ***. Using too many messy colors. Choose 2 to 3 light colors, it will look prettier. Mistake 3 ***. Head-body ratio is not balanced. Big head, small body is the secret to cuteness. Mistake 4 ***. Shaky drawing. Don't worry, just draw slowly and use an eraser to correct it. Mistake 5 ***. Forgetting to add small details. Blush, beard, small bow will make the drawing more vivid. Avoid these 5 mistakes, you will draw super cute. Try it now and comment to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe.